This is northern Indiana. I'm only starting inside the door because my snowblower is really loud, idling right now. But I got my car half cleaned off just to show you exactly how much snow has fallen. What's bad? It's over by the other computer. Sorry. My wife's grabbed me a tape measure real quick. I want to see if I can gauge how deep the snow is. Got a magnetic tip, so I'll hang to the top of the car. Alright, you won't be able to hear too much after I open this door. Jeez. This is the Saab 9.5 I've done all those videos on. But here we go. Right down there. On top of the car, it's about 9 inches. Got it half clean. I'm gonna dump all the snow off, then snow blow it away. So, anyhow. Here we go.